everyone and welcome back to one more video of all Lite Food, the all Odia cuisine videos. And today I'm going to make the macho mugajai besara or the fish and lentil curry cooked in mustard gravy. So to start the recipe, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Next, 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste and cook the ginger and garlic till the raw smell is gone. Because this is a fish preparation, avoid adding clarified butter or the ghee. This is a cuisine that you usually get in a few of the goddess temple of the state. Even though the name is a little complicated, the dish is super simple and super delicious. Next, add half a cup of sliced onion and cook for a minute or 2. Give it a continuous stir and cook them properly. Just make sure the onion doesn't reduce completely. Next, I'm going to add 1/4 cup of tomato. This is optional, but adding them will add a little bit of sourness to the recipe. Now cook till the tomatoes are soft. For flavors, I will just keep them simple. I'll add salt to taste and a teaspoon of turmeric powder. One thing I realized while making this dish is that simple recipes needs no extra spices, yet they taste super delicious. And now 1 cup of split yellow lentil or the small moong dal. They are washed and soaked. Stir for a minute. Next, I am going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of mustard paste, finely blended. You can also use the white mustard if you want. Now cook it for 2 to 3 minutes so that the mustard paste doesn't burn. Finally, I am going to add 200 grams of fried fish. Here I am using the boneless tilapia, but traditionally the freshwater fish rohu, also known as the labio rohita, is used. Rohu is a very popular fish in the eastern India and is widely used in Odia cuisine. If you find the rohu for this recipe, then you will get the perfect taste and the traditional touch of the dish. Now add 2/3 cup of water and let it to boil for 5 to 8 minutes till the lentil is cooked to perfection. As the lentil was soaked in water, it won't remain uncooked. So cover it and let it to cook. To finish the recipe, I am going to temper it, and for that, take a tablespoon of oil in a small pan, and to the oil add 2 teaspoons of 5-spice blend or the Pancha Phutana. When the seeds crackle, add them to the cooked fish and lentil curry. Now don't wait a minute, serve hot with steamed rice and enjoy the authentic Odia recipe, the macho mugajai besara. So thank you so much for watching the video. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for notification. I will see you in one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy. Make sure to give a look at the description box for recipe details, food kits and health articles.